Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a couple of high impact news into the market today. So be cautious at 5:45 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time because it could be a high volatile timing, and you know the rest. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price is sweeping the previous high, previous monthly high, and there is a probability that most likely we can go down and mitigate this long term BPR in the market. So I'm still anticipating that the price, after taking this liquidity, will move or can move into the downward side. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in here. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that the price is sweeping the highs or equal highs, you can say, but nothing is much clear over here except this level of FVG being respected by the market. So let's move to the dailies to see what is happening inside these candles range. So as we move into the dailies, what we can see is that the price swept the equal high sitting in the sitting over here, and then we failed to close above this candle's high, and we swept the previous high and moved into the downward side. Currently we are within this candle's range, this white candle's range, and this order block was responsible for breaking this particular high. So maybe we can see a reaction into the upside direction. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, there is nothing much clear except this BPR into the price, which is unmitigated by the market. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to go up and mitigate this BPR, and then we are going to get a response into the downward side, and this low will be a vulnerable low or the weak low, and the price is going to take it. So let's move to the two hours now. As we move into the 2 hours, the picture becomes more clear because this is the unmitigated order block in the price, and this was responsible for breaking this high and this particular high. So currently we are seeing a response from this order block into the upside direction, which can last till this level. Or if this is disrespected, most likely the price can go up. So let's move to the 1 hours to see what could be the probable trade ideas within this range. So this is the 1 hour chart, and what we can see is that this candle was mitigated by the price, and this is the low which the price is trying to save after making this liquidity. So I'm anticipating that if we are going to go up, break some kind of a strong high here, most likely the price is going all the way up to the 4-hour FVG or the BPR sitting right above this equal high range. So let's move to the 30 minutes to define our bias. So this is the 30-minute chart, and after this candle gets a close above this previous candle, I'll be anticipating that most likely the price is going to go up and mitigate this 4-hour BPR. Else, this will all turn into the liquidity and the price is going to move all the way down. So let's depict it now. Here we go. So I'm anticipating that if this candle closes above this previous uh, bearish candle, most likely we can go up and mitigate this 4-hour BPR. And then we can see an either response, which could be the price can disrespect this BPR, take support again, and we can continue the journey into the upside direction. Else, what can happen here is that the price may not breach above this candle's high, and we are going to see a move upside, and then we are going to breach this low, and then we will continue our journey into the downward side, taking all the way down to this particular low. So these are the two scenarios into the market right now. So this is pretty much it. And if you have any doubt or any suggestions, do write me into the comments. And thank you for watching.